everybody. So it is time I share with you guys the talk. And you're like, what the heck are you talking about? Well, you know what? It's 2 months till Christmas. 2 months. It is already October. We got, well, 3 months maybe. October and November, and Christmas is right around the corner. And this year, since I am not shopping like I usually do, like when I love going couponing, I love that. I'm kind of cutting back on a lot of things. Just in general, because my kids don't need a lot of stuff. I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, and that's a whole nother story. But I am cutting back on a lot of stuff, but I'm also thinking way ahead of time. So I've shared with you guys this, you know, and I've learned as I go, and you guys do your own thing. But I like to just kind of share with you guys on what I do. Now, I'm used to you guys clicking all like my referral links and everything, and then like I get some of that money for people for my links. But now since I'm not couponing anymore, I really am going to miss a lot of the gift cards that I get. So I just kind of want to share with you guys some like apps and everything that I use to save up for Christmas. So you definitely want to use like the receipt app. So we have Receipt Hog, we have Receipt Pal, we have Coinout, and we have Receipt Jar. Those are the 4 apps that I use to scan my receipts. And I still use these apps all the time. And what I'm right now is trying to save all my points right before the holidays, and then I will redeem for digital gift cards, and then I just screenshot them. And what I really like doing is having this stuff like right before Black Friday, because that's where I do a lot of my shopping. So that's what I'm doing right now, is trying to, you know, scan my receipts. Another app to use that I don't talk about very often is Crowdtap. Now Crowdtap is an app where all you do is do surveys. Now this is something that I haven't played with this on my phones. I got a new phone like a while ago, and I haven't been on my account at all because I just been so busy. But now I want to start saving up gift cards for the holidays because I don't like paying full price for stuff, and I don't like using my own money. I don't like using my own money. So like I always feel excited when I can like, you know, be like, I technically got it for free. So Crowdtap is an app, and I have the link below, but it's an app where all you guys do is do surveys. Like I don't know what the dollar bills are, but all it's gonna do is like, this is all about me. So I'm gonna get points for for like just doing surveys, and they limit you to so many surveys a day. So all you have to do is spend 10, 15, 20 minutes doing surveys, and you can get points. When you get to 1,000 points, you guys can actually start redeeming gift cards. 1,000 points is I think like $5. So you can get $5 if you get 1,000 points. So that's super easy to get 1,000 points. You can sometimes get 1,000 points in one day. If you want $10, it's 2,000 points. I always like redeeming for like $50. That's 10,000 points. So you could possibly get a $50 gift card in like 10 to 12 days just by doing these little surveys. So all it is just a couple surveys that you guys can get. They have Amazon, Target, there's Kroger. So if you guys need groceries, definitely go ahead and you can get Kroger. Starbucks, Walmart, they have like Taco Bell, Subway, Best Buy, Bath and Body Works, Barnes and Noble. That's another thing I should do because I'm obsessed with buying books. But that's what I should actually do. Like I'm a person where I want to start like buying 1 book a month, and why not like just do surveys and buy myself a book with these. But this is something that you definitely want to do just by surveys. Now if you guys didn't know it, Swagbucks also has surveys that you guys can do. And you just gotta like, you just do, was it Answer? I haven't done their surveys in forever, but you get points by just doing their surveys. So if you guys ever are like just kind of sitting around doing nothing, do a survey, because that could give you like points. It looks like you get 25 cents for doing some of these surveys, $1. But like some of them are like a minute or two, and this is great ways to earn money for doing surveys. And then you want to scan your receipts and everything. My points and inbox dollars is the same as Swagbucks. So like just pick a day and do a survey. So there's that. Another thing I'm starting to do is you're gonna start seeing Black Friday stuff. Already you're gonna start seeing Black Friday stuff. It doesn't really happen until maybe the middle of October to the end of October, But you're gonna want to start making a list. So what I actually do is all the time when I know I'm gonna buy something, I put it in my Amazon. I make a Christmas list for Amazon, so then Amazon will let me know if like that item goes on sale. What I'm also doing is checking Walmart and Target, and I add it to my favorites because sometimes there might be a deal where you guys can get something like that. So if you guys are starting to think about the holidays and about gifts and stuff, start making wish lists. Just start making wish lists, because then you kind of have an idea of where it is, and then make sure you guys check it. Like, so every Sunday morning I'll get up in the morning and I will check my apps. I mostly every Sunday morning I get up and I check like my Target wish list, but Amazon I check every single day because prices are always changing. Another thing I do with Amazon, if there is something that I'm eyeing up, I make a note and I write, oh, that's this price today, and then I date it, and then I keep an eye out for it. Like right now I kind of keep an eye out for it if it goes low or if it goes high. So that's how I know, you know, to get it when I get it. So start kind of keeping track of that. A lot of people I know kind of shop clearance for Christmas items. I know I've got my kids a couple things just from shopping early. Another thing is, make sure you take advantage of the cash back websites. I use Rakuten and I use Top Cash Back. I have videos on sharing with you guys. So I'm going to be the now this year where I'm going to basically just buy it while I'm at home and then do an in-store pickup, because I don't want to take my kids shopping. I just want to get in and get out. So what I'm going to do a lot of that stuff now is just kind of do an in-store option, but I'll use Rakuten and I will use Top Cash Back. And you can get like, what?
I want to do it.
Okay, you can get like 1 to like 10% cash back just by using those websites. So what you do is you go to those websites, Rakuten, Top Cash Back. It'll take you directly to like Target and all that stuff. And yeah, sorry, my throat is super scratchy and I can't stop coughing. But that's how I'm pretty much gonna start preparing for Christmas. Is I'm gonna start early. And yes, I will be showing you guys deals. I will be walking through with you guys through the Walmart Black Friday ads. I will be sharing with you guys the Target Black Friday ads. Is anything I can find, I'm gonna be definitely sharing with you guys on that stuff. But this year I'm gonna just really try to save and keep and stick to a budget. I'm really gonna try to stick to a budget. I gotta figure out how much we're spending for each kid, but I really want to stick to a budget, and that really helps, you know. And then starting early helps, because then I don't get overwhelmed that I'm like, okay, I didn't get anything done. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little heads up on how I save up for Christmas, how to get easy gift cards by doing, you know, the apps. Yeah, so, and then another website I use is Slick Deals. I haven't used Slick Deals in forever, but what you can actually do is, if you guys are looking for a deal for a specific product, like if you're looking for, yeah, I haven't signed in forever, but if you're like looking for like a specific game, like you want a game and you need to find out who has it cheaper, you can actually go to the Slick Deals website, type it in, and then you can add that to like to be notified when there's a deal. And so sometimes like I sign up for the free Walgreens 8x10 photos, because they have it where you guys can, you know, get notified for that. So that's how sometimes I figure out like those photo deals. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys on stuff like that. But I hope you guys have an awesome holiday season on saving money. If you guys have any tips or tricks, definitely put it down in the comments below. But I'm here to help you guys out. But I love helping people save money, and I'm gonna start doing it ahead and not pay hardly any of my own money. I'm gonna try to do, you know, surveys and stuff and get gift cards and not have to worry about that. Another thing I'm hoping they do this year is the Ibotta deal. For Thanksgiving, Ibotta in the last couple years have given away free items for, you know, buying it. Last year they had it where you had to buy so many items to get those products. The year before you just got them for free, and I think the year before that. So we will see how it goes, since I'm not really doing Ibotta as much, but I still want to share with you guys on saving money. So make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys some other time. See you later. Bye-bye.